The 1970s were a golden era for muscle cars, a time when raw power, bold designs, and unapologetic performance ruled the roads. These machines weren't just cars, they were statements of speed, style, and American engineering at its finest. Today, we're diving into the world of classic muscle cars to rank the 10 most expensive and iconic models from the 1970s. From roaring engines to jaw-dropping designs, these cars are the pinnacle of automotive history. Buckle up as we take a ride through the legends of the past that still command sky-high prices today. Number 1. 1970 Dodge Coronet RT Convertible. The 1970 Dodge Coronet RT Convertible is a rare gem, blending power and style into one unforgettable package. With only 678 units produced, this car is a true collector's item, often fetching over $150,000 at auctions. Its exterior features a sleek, aggressive design with a bold hood scoop and dual racing stripes, while the convertible top adds a touch of elegance. Inside, the Coronet RT boasts a luxurious yet sporty interior with bucket seats and a wood-grain steering wheel. Under the hood lies a monstrous 440 Magnum Vive 8 engine, delivering 375 horsepower and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. This car is a perfect blend of performance and prestige, making it a crown jewel of the 1970s muscle car era. Number 2. 1970 Ford Torino Cobra. The 1970 Ford Torino Cobra is a muscle car that screams power and performance. Known for its distinctive shaker hood scoop and bold Cobra decals, this car is a head-turner. With prices often exceeding $100,000, it's a prized possession for collectors. The Torino Cobra's interior is both functional and stylish, featuring high-back bucket seats and a sporty dashboard. But the real star is its 429 Super Cobra Jet V8 engine, producing 370 horsepower and capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds. Whether on the drag strip or the open road, the Torino Cobra is a true performance beast. Number 3. 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. The 1970 AMC Rebel Machine is a lesser-known but equally impressive muscle car that packs a punch. With its striking red, white, and blue paint scheme, this car is a patriotic powerhouse. Only around 2,300 units were made, making it a rare find, with prices often surpassing $80,000. The Rebel Machine's interior is simple yet sporty, with bucket seats and a center console. Under the hood, you'll find a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 340 horsepower and a top speed of 125 miles per hour. This car is proof that AMC could compete with the big names in the muscle car world. Number 4. 1970 Pontiac Trans Am Ram. Air 4. The 1970 Pontiac Trans Am Ram. Air 4 is a legend in the muscle car world, known for its incredible performance and iconic design. With fewer than 90 units produced, this car is extremely rare, often commanding prices over $200,000. Its exterior features the iconic Trans Am styling with a rear spoiler and bold stripes, while the interior is equipped with high-back bucket seats and a sporty steering wheel. The Ram Air 4 400 cubic inch V8 engine produces 370 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. This car is a true performance icon of the 1970s. Number 5. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a muscle car that needs no introduction. With its sleek design and unmatched performance, it's a favorite among collectors, often selling for over $100,000. The Z28's exterior features a low-slung profile and bold racing stripes, while the interior is both functional and stylish, with bucket seats and a sporty dashboard. Under the hood lies a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 360 horsepower and capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. Whether on the track or the street, the Camaro Z28 is a true performance legend. Number 6. 1970 Oldsmobile 442DT W30. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30 is a muscle car that combines luxury with raw power. With its distinctive W30 badging and aggressive styling, this car is a true standout. Prices for the 442 W30 often exceed $120,000, reflecting its rarity and desirability. The interior is plush and comfortable, with bucket seats and a wood-grain dashboard. The 455 cubic inch V8 engine delivers 370 horsepower and a top speed of 130 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars of its time. The Oldsmobile 442 W30 is a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance. Number 7. 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator Boss 302. The 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator Boss 302 is a muscle car that combines style and performance in a unique package. With its sleek aerodynamic design and bold Eliminator graphics, this car is a true head-turner. Prices often exceed $90,000, reflecting its rarity and desirability. The interior is both luxurious and sporty, with bucket seats and a wood-grain steering wheel. Under the hood lies a Boss 302 V8 engine, producing 290 horsepower and capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. The Cougar Eliminator is a true performance icon of the 1970s. Number 8. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner 440+6. The 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner 440+6 is a muscle car that lives up to its name. With its bold beep-beep horn and aggressive styling, this car is a true standout. Prices often exceed $100,000, reflecting its rarity and desirability. The interior is simple yet functional, with bucket seats and a sporty dashboard. Under the hood lies a 440 cubic inch V8 engine with a 6-barrel carburetor, delivering 390 horsepower and a top speed of 135 miles per hour. The Roadrunner 440+6 is a true performance beast that dominated the streets in the 1970s. Number 9. 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W30 Convertible. The 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W30 Convertible is a rare and luxurious muscle car that combines style and performance. With fewer than 1,000 units produced, this car is a true collector's item, often fetching over $150,000 at auctions. Its exterior features the iconic 442 styling with a convertible top, while the interior is plush and comfortable, with bucket seats and a wood-grain dashboard. The 455 cubic inch V8 engine delivers 350 horsepower and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. This car is a perfect blend of luxury and performance, making it a true icon of the 1970s. Number 10. 1971 Plymouth GTX 440. The 1971 Plymouth GTX 440 is a muscle car that exudes power and sophistication. With its bold styling and luxurious interior, this car is a true standout. Prices often exceed $80,000, reflecting its rarity and desirability. The interior is plush and comfortable, with bucket seats and a wood-grain dashboard. Under the hood lies a 440 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The GTX 440 is a true performance icon that dominated the streets in the 1970s. And there you have it, the 10 most expensive muscle cars from the 1970s, ranked. These legendary machines are more than just cars. They're symbols of an era defined by power, style, and innovation. Whether you're a collector or just a fan of classic cars, these models represent the very best of American automotive history. Which one would you love to take for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the wheels turning.